Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, and you can see this is our third day of really, the bears trying to bring this thing in. Here's your 200-day exponential moving average. That blue line is your 9-day. The bears are going to have to close below the 200 and the 9-day. So, a very short-term moving average and a very long-term moving average. If they're able to do that, then they can try to take some control back of the tape down to the mid band at 39.75. If they can't, then we're going to bounce. Here's the hourly chart. We got a brand new weekly pivot, 40.39.33 that they're certainly going for here. I would expect that to print today. You can see the 9-day underneath it. Then the question becomes, where do we close relative to that? We shall see. But the sooner the bears can establish that weekly pivot and that 9-day as resistance, the better opportunity they're going to have to go after the Friday low, which bounced off the weekly pivot, 06.75. What do the bulls want to do? Well, you want to hold here. If you can do consecutive weekly pivot tests and bounces, okay, 2 different weekly pivots on consecutive days, you don't see that very often. Then you have a real chance to take out this 41.10 reaction high and kind of build up as we get into the meat and guts of December headed towards the holidays. You've got a Fed meeting coming up, I think, on the 14th, so things are going to get tight into that. I will be very curious today to see how everything plays. It's a Monday. That makes it whippy and choppy as it is. I would expect some whip and chop off of the open, and then, some kind of a dip or a rejection type of a scenario. But the lines are pretty clear about what they need to go after. The bears need to go after 4,007. The bulls need to go after 41.10. What I'll be interested to see is whether we get back into like the 40.50 to 40.75 area and just kind of start, doing our consolidation, doing our chop. There have been some serious consolidations over the course of the last 10 to 15 sessions. It's going to do that stuff. It's inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. It's what it does. So you've got volume weighted average price today, 40.61. Hourly mid is basically 64.5. Proprietary moving average is 56.32. That did a good job of holding things in at the 58 area at about 8:30 this morning. We're testing the 200-day EMA right now on the front month chart at 40.44. That's your overnight low. And, like I said, be very surprised if that weekly pivot didn't get a look. Be very surprised if the 9-day didn't get a look. The key is, what are they going to do with it once they get there? All right, short and sweet this morning. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. Come learn how to trade this stuff. We will absolutely make you a better trader. Take care.